everyone, welcome to IS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So, without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is third edition of Future Warfare course begins in New Delhi. The third edition of the Tri-Services Future Warfare course is scheduled to commence at Maneshwar Center in New Delhi from 2nd to 25th February 2026 under the aegis of Headquarters Integrated Defence Staff and in partnership with the Center for Joint Warfare Studies. This edition features an enhanced curriculum covering specialized subjects and domain-specific warfare developments in military operations. The course focuses on developing an erudite understanding on how far fighting is being impacted by technology, necessitating a relook at our thinking, concepts, doctrines, strategies, and TTPs. It also caters for deeper exploration of critical topics, practical demonstrations of emerging technologies, and visits to institutions of critical importance to the capabilities of the defense forces. The course comprises participants from the three services as well as representatives from the defense industry, including startups, MSMEs, DPSUs, and private industry. Amongst the services participants, the seniority of the officers varies from majors to major general, with the junior officers bringing their technical flair and expertise, and the senior officers their operational experience and strategic knowledge. The future warfare course will align operational priorities of the armed forces with the capabilities of the indigenous defense industry and enable a free-flowing discussion on the various facets of modern and futuristic warfighting. A diverse range of experts including veterans, serving officers, ex-ambassadors, industry experts, and academic professionals will ensure that a holistic analysis of India's security challenges are debated in a threadbare and professional manner. Additionally, this course features experts in subjects like critical and rare earth elements, supply chain vulnerabilities, and regional and global geopolitics, impinging on operations in the future, expanding the number of subjects that will need to be studied and analyzed by the defense forces in order to plan and conduct operations in the future. Building on the success of the inaugural course held in September 2024, this expanded 3-week program aims to realize the vision of the Chief of the Defense Staff General Anil Chauhan to prepare officers for the complex challenges of modern warfare. The next topic for the day is National Career Service Scheme. The National Career Service Portal is a one-stop solution for providing career-related services including jobs from private and government sectors, information on online and offline job fairs, job search and matching, career counseling, vocational guidance, information on skill development courses, skill training programs, etc. through a digital platform given here to all stakeholders across the country. The NCS project aims to provide seamless access to job seekers and employers, decent employment opportunities to the aspiring youth of the country, and to facilitate career development assistance. Notifying final hiring figures is not mandatory requirement of NCS portal. However, more than 2.23 crore job seekers have been shortlisted on NCS portal till 20th January 2026. To enhance the employability, digital and career skills of job seekers and empower and equip youth with an array of essential employable skills, NCS portal inter alia offers online employability enhancement programs, digital skill enhancement programs, and self-placed career skill program. Further, a module of NCS portal facilitates the approved career counselors to avoid career counseling and guidance services. As on 20th January 2026, more than 1,180 career counselors have onboarded on NCS portal, and till date more than 55 lakh online-offline career guidance sessions have been conducted nationwide. In order to increase awareness and enhance reach of NCS portal, regular social media posts are released about the availability of services and vacancies on the NCS portal. NCS monthly e-newsletters are released to create awareness about new development and activities of NCS. Besides, the model career centers established at the states and union territories regularly conducts various outreach activities via workshops, awareness or orientation programs for the stakeholders. This information was given by the Minister of State for Labour and Employment, Sushri Shobha Karanlaje, in written reply to a question in Lok Sabha today. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.